Class 10 children, today again we will learn chapter 6 ratio and proportion, and today we will again discuss some more very important questions from this chapter. So here I have a question: if y equal to root over a plus 3b plus root over a minus 3b by root over a plus 3b minus root over a minus 3b, then show that 3by square minus 2ay plus 3b equal to 0. So there is little difference today in the question compared to yesterday's video. Yesterday it was solve. Solve means you had to find the value of x. So I will show you the question of yesterday's video. This was the question where the question was solve for x, means find the value of x, and this was our componendo and dividendo formula. So the same formula will be applied today also, but today's question is not solved, but you have to show that, means prove that. So what we have done here, this given part y equal to this root over a plus 3b, these all things we wrote here, same thing. So after that what I did, I have applied here componendo and dividendo formula. How? Below y there is 1. That means what does this formula say? Y, this y which is in the numerator will be written at the top, at the bottom. Then we will use plus and minus formula, and the denominator, that is 1 will be written at the top, at the bottom. This is the componendo and dividendo formula. And if we apply componendo and dividendo in the left hand side, we should also apply in the right hand side. So in the right hand side you can see this upper part is numerator, the lower part is denominator. So this numerator, root over a plus 3b plus root over a minus 3b, this numerator we write at the top, we write at the bottom, and then here plus and minus. And then what we do, the denominator part, that is root over a plus 3b minus root over a minus 3b, we write at the top, at the bottom. Now you can see here at the top I wrote the same thing, a plus root over a plus 3b minus root over a minus 3b, and same thing I wrote here, root over a plus 3b, but you can see this minus has become plus. Now you might be saying, why sir? Actually when bracket opens, this minus and this minus multiply and they become plus. Yesterday also I have taught you in the formula that you can see this c minus d is same, but that c minus d became c plus d here because we are opening the bracket with minus. So minus into minus becomes this plus. So this minus became plus because of multiplication. Same thing, this minus and this minus multiply and they become plus here. So one step I have jumped here, I did not use bracket, but you have to understand that this was a multiplication with minus into minus plus. But in the upper part it is a multiplication of plus and minus, and plus and minus it is minus only, because multiplying with plus no symbol changes. Now same thing I wrote here. Now here these two same coefficients got cancelled, root over a minus 3b, root over a minus 3b, but this is plus, this is minus, so got cancelled. And here root over a plus 3b, root over a plus 3b, but this is plus, this is minus, got cancelled. Now remaining root over a plus 3b and root over a plus 3b, both are plus plus. So I can say if it is mango, this is also mango, and mango plus mango is 2 mango. Similarly root over a plus 3b, root over a plus 3b is 2 root over a plus 2 root over a plus 3b, and lower part same, both are same. So 2 root over a minus 3b, both are same, 2 root over a minus 3b, 2 got cancelled. Now until and unless this root over will not vanish, our answer will not come, because we have to prove such a thing where there is no root over. So if root over will remain, our answer will never come. So to remove root over, we are doing squaring both sides. Yesterday also I had done this squaring. So while doing squaring both sides, same thing we wrote, and we did whole square equal to remaining root over a plus 3b by root over a minus 3b. We did squaring. So we did squaring both sides. Now here I can apply a formula of a plus b whole square, and here a minus b whole square. So formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a is y, b is 1. So y square plus 2y in 2 into y into 1 plus 1 square. And lower part a square minus 2ab plus b square. Y square minus 2 into y into 1 plus 1 square equal to, here what happened, this square and root over got vanished, and lower part also square and root over got vanished. So only who remained, a plus 3b by a minus 3b. This is a rule that whenever there is square in the root over, square and root over they vanish, only number remain. So that is the rule, only number remains here. Now we will simplify it. It becomes y square, it is 2 1s are 2, 2 into y is 2y, and 1 square is 1. Same thing, y square minus 2y plus 1. So this is simplification and this is same. Now again we will apply componendo and dividendo to make it more simple, to make it more smaller, because you see y square 2y 2y 1 1 a 3b 3b. So if you apply component dividendo, what will happen, it will become more smaller and smaller and smaller. So you can see same thing I have done, it is componendo and dividendo one more time. Now I will tell you from this page, this is numerator, this is denominator. So numerator I will write on the top at the bottom, and denominator also I will write at the top at the bottom, and plus and minus. So same thing I have done. You can see the numerator y square plus 2y plus 1 at the top, at the bottom, plus minus, the denominator was y square minus 2y plus 1, but here because it is opening, the bracket is opening with minus, so what will happen, this minus will change to plus and this plus will change to minus, because we are opening the bracket with minus. And same thing we have done here also. You can see a plus 3b is numerator, a minus 3b is denominator. So what we did, a plus 3b at the top, a plus 3b at the bottom, plus minus, a minus 3b at the top, and this is also a minus 3b, but this minus and that minus got multiplied and became plus. So by componendo and dividendo. Now same coefficient, plus minus got cancelled. Here 2 coefficients and here 4 coefficients got cancelled. Here 2 and here 2 got cancelled. So after cancellation what happened, y square 2y square 1 plus 1 2, 2y plus 2y 4y, and here a plus a 2a, 3b plus 3b 6b. So here I cancelled 2 and 6, it became 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. But here we cannot cancel because there is plus at the middle, so we can cancel only in case of multiplication. So there is plus, so we cannot cancel. But here what I did, I took 2 common from here. So when I took 2 common, bracket came, bracket means multiplication. So this 2 and this 4y got cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4y, and remaining a by 3b I wrote here. Now y square plus 1 upper part and lower part 2y equal to a by 3b. Now I can cross multiply. So if I will cross multiply, 3b will multiply with y square plus 1. So my result is 3by square multiplication with y square, and 3b into 1 is plus 3b, 2y into a is 2ay. But here you see we have to prove that 3by square minus 2ay plus 3b equal to 0. This is what we have to prove. You can see, prove that or show that this is equal to 0. So same thing came here, but what I did, this 2ay I brought this side and it was in the middle position, so I gave its middle position here, and you can see whatever the question had demanded to prove, it has been proved. So there is one more question very similar to this question. I will show you, I will provide you that in my PDF. Same thing, there was y equal to, here it is x equal to, rest is same. And in the proving part there was y square and all, here it is x square. So same question I will not repeat one more time, and at the end I have proved here, and I will request you same type of question I have given you as homework. So you see both are same. With this you have to show that this is equal to 0, and with this you have to show that this is equal to 0. So you see these 2 questions in the PDF and try to do these 2 questions as homework. Homework means is very easy, answer is this. You have to show this is equal to 0. The way I have done in my video, and I will provide you a PDF, you see that and then prove accordingly. Thank you, children.